In this video, I will show you how you can change the voice of Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Bixby. Now under the Bixby settings, just tap on Language and Voice Style. And from here, you can select any of the voice styles available over here.
My name is Bixby.
As you can see, this is the default one, but you can download the second one also. Just tap on the download icon and tap on install. Now, if I go back,
My name is Bixby.
as you can see, both of these voices are now installed.
My name is Bixby.
Now, if you change the language of Bixby to any other language, for an example, I will select English United States, tap on update. Now, as you can see, if I go back, now if I select English United States, as you can see, I will get more voice styles. Now, you can download any voice style which you prefer. But if you want to create a custom personal voice, just tap on the plus icon over here and select download. Now, just tap on update. By using this app, you can create a custom voice for Bixby. Just tap on start. Just say the following sentences. Who might have purchased an English Bulldog tonight? Am I crazy now, or did I see a rainbow earlier? Dad jokes are what make Father's Day special every year. A gentle eye rub helps improve night vision. Any idea how fast you were running? That big, pointy-eared beige fox jumped in the air over each thin dog on the ground. Everyone loves cat videos, even Thomas Edison. A wave of emotions comes over me when I listen to awesome music alone. No doubt, I'm 100% on your team. The hungry purple dinosaur met the kind, zingy fox, the jabbering crab, and the mad, noisy whale. Now just create a name for the voice which we have created. I'll name it Voice X, then tap on Done. Now just wait for a few seconds to a few minutes for Bixby to learn your voice. And once Bixby learns your voice, then tap on Go to Settings, and from here just select the voice which we have selected.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
As you can see, this is the voice which we have created for Bixby. From here, you can speed up or slow down the speech rate. And as you can see, this is how you can change the voice of Bixby on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.